Hi, I'm Nemanja from Owl Labs, and we're here at ISE. We're going to talk about our Owl ecosystem and our Owl intelligence system software. And the Owl Labs team is going to help me out over here, so come on over. So to kick it off, we have our Meeting Owl 4 Plus at the center of table. Our 4K camera with 8 microphones, 2 speakers, and it also has 2 I/O ports, one for power and another one for a USB to your host machine. At the front here, we have our 4K front of room bar, has a speaker and 4 microphones, and currently our devices are paired to each other wirelessly. In addition to that, we have our whiteboard owl up here. It's our content camera for the whiteboard, and we'll get back to that. But we're gonna go into our modes. So we have our autofocus mode here, and this is the default attention system that folks have been experiencing out in the wild. And it's going to focus on 3 panels or 3 speakers as we have a dynamic conversation, and it will switch those panels out as we have a further conversation and people are changing dynamic or flow. If I was to switch to mode using the multi-purpose button right on the device, we go into grid mode. So grid mode is going to show up to 8 people with what we call our stage. And you can see here we have all our beautiful faces on the TV. And if there's more than 8 people, the dynamic conversation will switch out those panels with the most recent speakers. We'll go ahead and switch this out to panorama mode. You can get a full 180 at the top, full 180 at the bottom, utilizing our full 360 4K camera. We'll switch it again, and we're back into autofocus mode. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the whiteboard owl. I'm gonna just walk over to the whiteboard. I'm gonna go ahead and flip a tag. And you can see the video stream will now focus on the whiteboard. So if I was to start drawing on the board, you'll see the content will get highlighted, and I become transparent right in front of that content. So that's our full ecosystem here at Owl Labs. If you have more questions or want more information, go to owllabs.com. Thank you.